Okay, these are progress photos as of October 18th, 2015. We were here all week and this is kind of the end. We got the permits for framing, so now drywall has started, even some of the taping, etc. Kitchen, obviously. So a lot going on. View hasn't changed. We've got the soffits all in, air conditioning, vents all the way through. This wall has now been furred out a bit. Okay, now for the office. That's really coming along. Now we can really see what it's going to look like size-wise. Murphy bed will go there. Obviously some storage. And cabinets going here. A little storage nook here, sort of broom closet, shoes probably. And of course the walls are all up now, so we can't go through the wall here, but we've got the plumbing for the air conditioning chiller all done. Can't really see the AC room too much, not much to see really. These are the chiller lines hanging down and basically all ready to go. And of course all the lights are in. Bathrooms, not too much to report other than the rough-ins are all here for the shower. And I think next week they're going to start doing more of the detailed work. New fans in. Waleed, the contractors promised they're very quiet and very powerful, which is nice. These are the lights going in. That's all, of course, the guest bathroom. Light switch boxes. Heading into the guest bedroom. Again, not much done in this room except for the addition of this soffit up here. The blinds will obviously go behind it. A couple of lights and drywall fairly well along in here. And then now again the smaller closet and closet light. Looking forward to the closet build outs, that should be fun. Now into the master. This is the new wall for the extended closet. Little nook that will be there for storage, glass shelving. Again, the shower is all roughed in, kind of ready to go. And another fan. And then, of course, the back end of the laundry room. Back side, I should say. And thank God that medicine cabinet is finally gone. And in this room, not sure why they haven't drywalled these soffits yet. Probably just a matter of time. All our drywall is up here. Closet's pretty interesting now. Can all be seen. It's kind of part one, part two, part three, laundry room and linen closets back here. And then the final part of the closet all through here. Not all that interesting. So that's kind of the status as of October 18th. Quite a bit of work done, particularly this week. And looking forward to coming back 2 weeks from Thursday night and seeing what it looks like. We should see a lot of tile. A lot of the drywall should all be finished. Lighting, a whole bunch of others. things started, so that should be pretty exciting. So signing off.